Hello guys, welcome back to our RSPC Journey Part 2 here in Iloilo City, the City of Love. After lunch, we went straight to Iloilo Grand Hotel para sa checking at sealing ng cameras for our photojournalism contestants. We have two representatives for this category, one for English and one for Filipino. Here are our amazing contestants, full of hope, pride, and excitement. Photojournalism English, Bianca Isabel Montemor. Photojournalism Filipino, Distin Merl Aconia. News Writing English, Rosel K. Costorio. News Writing Filipino, James Israel Espinosa. Copy Reading and Headline Writing Filipino, Grisel Pilais. And Feature Writing English, Junice Lingas. Pero ang tanong, mayroon kayang mapalad sa kanila to win in this contest? Abangan natin yan sa Part 3. Meanwhile, gala time! As you can see, malapit na kami sa Gaisano Capital Banco, fronting University of Iloilo. Naghanap kami ng grocery store to buy water, snacks, at essentials. But the highlights? Swimwear shopping. Sobrang excited sila for swimming later that night. While exploring downtown Iloilo, nadaanan namin ang Plaza Libertad, a must-see spot here in the city. Ang Plaza Libertad is one of the most historic places in the Philippines. Dito unang itinaas ang watawat ng Pilipinas sa Visayas noong 1898. Right after the Spanish colonial forces surrendered to the Filipino revolutionaries, led by General Martin Delgado. Grabe, diba? History feels. This place is more than just a park. It is a symbol of freedom. Kaya nga tinatawag itong Plaza Libertad. Libertad means freedom in Spanish. And Plaza Libertad is one of the oldest plazas in the Philippines that has remained its original location since the Spanish era. At ito na nga, bumalik na kami sa aming hotel, nagpahinga ng kaunti at had our dinner. And finally, swimming time! The kids had so much fun sa pool, splashing, bonding, and enjoying the cold water under the night sky. After swimming and chilling, ay bumalik na ang mga bata dito sa room. And we feel nga na sulit yung kinuha namin na family room, intended for 7 of us. May tagi-isang bed at 2 comfort rooms. That night, after dinner and chill time, the kids stayed in the room while kami na mga adults went out. We walked from Circle Inn to Robinson's near Ongbon, looking for a 7-Eleven. Nakabili kami ng mga kailangan and we rode a tricycle pabalik. Local vibes, diba? At yun nga guys, pabalik na kami sa aming hotel. And don't you know? Iloilo is not just known about its food and culture, but also for being one of the cleanest and most walkable cities in the Philippines. At ang Calle Real, near the hotel, is one of Iloilo's most historic streets. It is filled with Spanish-era buildings. Calle Real ng Iloilo is one of the oldest commercial streets in the Philippines. At ito na nga, dumating na kami sa aming hotel and prepare ourselves for tomorrow's event. The next day, we woke up early, had our breakfast, and went to the contest venue at 7:30 a.m. The place was packed with students na naka-white t-shirts and maong pants. Today is an exciting day kasi we're already here at the venue after weeks of preparation. And our contestants are now ready to give their best. At this moment, we are waiting for the opening celebration. And after the opening celebration, we went outside and waited for them. While waiting outside and our contestants are giving their best, we are reminded of our supporters back home. Thank you for your love and prayers. Abangan ninyo ang Part 3. Until next time, bye!